she is trying to get to me. But I'm trying to film them, and I can't if I'm holding them. Oh, look at there. What are you two doing? Huh? What are you two doing? Yeah? Is it fun? I'm missing one. Because there's one. Oh, no. There's one. There's one. And there's one. And there's another one. And there's one. Where is... Where's your sister? I really don't know how I lost a kitten in this little space. Why are you looking like that? You're so funny. Hey, where's your... Oh, there you are. You were in the tunnel. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? Good morning, Mama. Good morning, Mama. Yeah. She has started sitting on the toy that I pet her with. So I tried to get it this morning, and she hissed at me, but she didn't like snap or lunge at me. So I'm gonna get it when she moves, because I can't pet her. I can tell she wants me to like use it to pet her, but she's laying on it. Because I left it on the bed, so at some point she dragged it off the bed. Can you say good morning? What are you doing? Look at her. She's been sitting like that. You're so weird. You're such a cutie patootie, I swear. I know. I'm trying to be real sneaky. Oh, you can't really see. But I'm playing with the babies outside the tent. And Mom just walked up to the front of the tent and is sitting there watching us play. And I don't want to turn like another light on because I don't want to mow. But she is right. Oh, look. See the bait? Oh, there she is. Oh, there she went. There she is. Excuse the mess. I changed the bedding. Oh, look, there she is. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. How are you? Well, how are you? I don't know where she's going. Do you see her? Oh, my goodness. That's the first time ever that she's not run from one hiding spot to the other and just stayed out. Look at that. And I don't want to draw too much attention to it. She may have to go potty or something, because that's where the litter box is. I know, kittens. I hear you. I am busy. Oh, I'm trying to figure out what she's going to do. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to put this up because I think it's bothering her that she can see. Oh, she has to go potty. Okay, well, I can't record her going potty. That's rude. Okay, it is 1:30 a.m. and I was trying to be really quiet and bring Mom a little food before I go to bed, because when I cleaned out the litter box last... Are you climbing? Are you climbing me? When I last cleaned out the litter box, her poop had gotten a lot more solid. And so I was just going to give her a little bit of food and a bunch of water in the food. And I was being really, really, really quiet. And I went to put the food in the playpen. And this one, yes you did, was awake and saw me. The other ones were asleep. And started crawling towards me. Didn't make any noise. No, I didn't make any noise. But as soon as she started crawling, of course, Piper starts hollering. Oh, no, don't bite. Don't bite your sister. Oh, they've started biting. Just today. I know. Did she bite you? Oh, no. You bite too, though. Ow, and see? You're biting me right now. That's not nice. Their little teeth are sharp. And they haven't even all come in yet. Is that? I think that is a flea. See that little black mark right there? My finger. Ow, ow, ow. I think it's a flea. Yeah, my finger probably tastes like chicken tuna, whatever. But I think that's a flea every time. Because I'm so worried about them. They were like covered in fleas. The people said. When they got them. And they put them in this like water stuff. I don't know that like gets rid of the fleas. It's not really a flea dip because they're too little. They can't really go on a flea dip, but I'm not sure what it is. And they said, you know, watch them because it doesn't always kill like all the eggs. And I'm just like, ugh. It's been like 2 weeks now, so I don't know how long it takes flea eggs to hatch, but I haven't seen any fleas so far, which is good, but they're so dark. But I've been looking on her belly and the tuxedo's belly a lot because you can see them on the white fur. But of course I can't check Mom at all. But I was really going to bed. And then, hey, we have plans. We have play plans. There's no bed for you. No, is there no bed for you? Oh, mister, did you come to play? Hi, mister. Oh. So only your sister is left in there. Hi, mister. Say hi to everybody. Let's get up here so everybody can see you. You don't come out very often. Yeah. I'll need to put you in the lot of sunlight so everybody can see your pretty white or silver. I still can't figure out what color. All his legs have these really long white or silver hairs. They don't really look white to me. They look more silver, but I'm not sure silver is possible on cats. But it's very pretty. Especially in the sunlight. Because it's only really on his bottom part. His legs and his belly. They're very cute. Yes, it is. Okay, you ready to come down? You ready to come down and play? Okay. Here, let me play with those hooligans. Yes. And my penny is sitting on my lap. Are you sitting on my lap? My sweet girl? Yeah. That's my sweet girl. Yes. Get your belly. Get your belly. Oh. Mom just came up on the bed. Okay, I almost went, don't anybody move. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Hi, Mama. Mama just came. Oh, I bet she's starving. That's why. Because she hasn't hardly had any. But she's not eating. Did y'all see that? I'm not kidding. This is how tired and crazy I am. When she jumped up onto the bed, like, because she kind of does like an army crawl from the floor onto the bed. And she's real sneaky about it. I almost said, hey, don't anybody move. I don't know. Oh. I know. I may need to go to bed. Because I didn't want to move and I didn't want to scare her. Because she's never done that. She has never moved from one place to the other where I could see her. Unless it's because I scared her. Never. That is amazing. Oh, yes. Look at this. I could hold Penny and pose Penny forever. I mean, she's so chill. Yes, you are. You are precious. You are precious. I mean, they're all precious. Don't get me wrong. But, oh, I just love this little one. Yes, I do. And she just looks like Wolverine with those claws. Look at that. Yes, I do. I love you so much. I still need to go to bed, though. Do you want to go see your mom? You need to actually go eat. Mama's feeding. You, of all of them, need to go eat. Okay. Say goodnight. I think we've already said goodnight once tonight. But, you know.